you add together the price of everything you bought, you get the total.
If you have no utensils, you have to eat with your hands. The total is $50.
Map. Location. Hour.
The restaurant has a good location because it is near the subway and the park.
Fork.
Cash, check, and credit card are all payment methods. Dollars. Hungry.
We have enough knives and spoons, right?
Location. Arrival.
Plan.
That salad made me thirsty. Salad. That salad made me thirsty. Me thirsty.
Homesick.
Utensils.
Unpack.
Food always makes me happy. Food always makes me happy. Me. We have enough knives and spoons, right?